Dry ice activity. A question was asked, and here I am to answer it. Mr. Venable, what happens if you take that dry ice that you got from Chewy, and instead of filling the bottle up with warm water and throwing in a couple of pieces of dry ice, what if you put in a whole bunch of dry ice and then add hot water to it? So here's my Coca-Cola bottle with a fourth of a bottle of dry ice, and then we've got the kettle. I heated up the water. What happens if I just add the water on top of that? Look at that go! It actually got so excited it threw the water back out the top. That's right, I could barely get the hot water in the bottle. Look at that explosion of carbon dioxide shooting out of there. That dry ice is made of carbon dioxide, and as soon as that hot water hits it, snap, it converts from being dry ice to the gas. That's right, it's an instantaneous reaction for some of that dry ice. And that's what happens. It just shoots up out of there. The process where the dry ice changes from being a solid straight to a gas is called sublimation. Sublimation. The process doesn't last as long this way because you don't have as much water in there. So it's going to slowly build down, and when I put some more hot water in, it'll shoot back out again. So that's to answer your question. What happens if you put a whole lot of dry ice in and then pour some hot water on top of it? You get a more violent reaction. It shoots out swifter, so much so it even dumps the water on the table. It won't let some of that water into the bottle. See how it's died down? It's died down enough I could put more hot water in there. But once I do, it's going to have a violent reaction again, and it's going to prevent some of the water from going in. You notice how the smoke goes up and then it falls straight down? Why is the smoke or the carbon dioxide going up and then falling straight down towards the table? Because carbon dioxide weighs more than air. Yes, it does. Carbon dioxide is a heavier gas than air, so since it's more dense, it falls towards the table after it comes out of the bottle. So watch. As I put this in, you're going to see it shoot up, and then it's going to fall back towards the table. See it drop so quickly? Sublimation and density and buoyancy, all in one activity. I love dry ice.